Attending professional training courses, whether pre-recorded or virtual, offers several advantages for both employees and employers. Here are some of the advantages of attending pre-recorded safety training courses and virtual training. Number one, flexibility. One of the biggest advantages of pre-recorded safety training courses is that employees can access the training material at their convenience within the stipulated period of time. This allows them to learn at their own pace and schedule the training according to their working commitment. Virtual training also offers flexibility as employees can attend training sessions from remote locations without having to travel to a physical training venue. Consistency. Pre-recorded safety training courses and virtual training offers a consistent message to all employees. This ensures that employees and employers receive the same training material, reducing the risk of misunderstanding or gaps in knowledge. Number 3. Cost effectiveness. Pre-recorded safety training courses and virtual training can be more cost-effective than traditional classroom training. This is because they eliminate the need for traveling, accommodation, and venue hire cost. Virtual training can also reduce the need for trainers to travel to multiple locations, saving time and money. And this is the world of sustainability, where we want to save energy and other resources. Number 4, scalability. Pre-recorded safety training courses and virtual training can be scaled to meet the need of a large number of employees simultaneously. This means that a training can be delivered to a large number of employees simultaneously, ensuring that everyone receives the training they need in a timely manner. Number 5, interactive. Virtual training can be interactive. This might sound strange. With features such as quizzes, polls, and breakout rooms, allows employees to engage with the training material and to engage with each other. This can increase engagement and improve learning outcome. Number 6, accessible. Pre-recorded training courses and virtual training can be made accessible to all employees regardless of their location or physical abilities. This ensures that everyone have access to the same training material regardless of their circumstance. Overall, attending pre-recorded safety training courses and virtual training courses can provide a large benefit, a large number of benefits, a large range of benefits for both employees and employers. It can improve knowledge retention, reduce training costs, increase engagement, and ensure that everyone receives the same consistent message. Currently, at Cordal Safety Consult, we are running a discounted pre-recorded training on safety training courses, technical safety training courses for individuals on various topics. We have pre-recorded various topics such as accident investigation and risk management techniques, detailed job hazard analysis training course, safety data analysis and Excel HSE dashboard training course, hazardous materials and control of substances hazardous to health, QHSE gap analysis training, basic health and safety in the workplace, risk assessment training course, work at height, confined space entry, electrical safety. All these courses are available on Prerecord. You can have access to them alongside all the required training materials and safety materials that is attached to them. If there are challenges, questions that you want to ask, we will always be available to respond to you. Upon completing all our courses or any of these courses, we shall be issuing to you a certificate of training. Take hold of this opportunity to gain in-depth knowledge on these topics that we are going to discuss on each courses. Stay on course on topics that have been discussed in details via these subjects and courses that you might be choosing to go for. These ridiculous prices that we have for you is only for a limited period of time. We look forward to having you. Remember, competency is key.